Alright, here, so we got some green juice and breakfast. I usually take it during in the morning. So I got some hot water here. Now I'm gonna get some green juice. Now I'm gonna get the powder out and let's scoop around like one scoop, around 4 to 5 grams, and then let's mix. Alright, so now I got some peeled corn that I bought and we're going to steam it for 15 minutes, alright? Now, bubbling, now let's look at the steam, ooh la la, here it goes. So here I got some soy milk, orange, and corn, and this is going to be kind of like my after green juice breakfast routine. Now let's hear some crunch. Alright guys, so that was really tasty, sweet. Now I'm gonna get some oranges. I usually get around like 2, but I finished a whole plate. Now let's get some cereal. I usually pour milk, don't judge. So today I'm going to be having some cereal. This is actually called Heritage Flakes. There's like quinoa and a lot of grains, barley flour, and which is really healthy. So I usually try to do just maybe half a cup first, and then I'll just add as I go. And please note, I will usually finish the milk, so don't judge me. Now we're going to finish that and let's go on with dinner. So dinner, I actually will just boil some vegetables. Now I don't know what vegetable this is, but you can get it. I think it's like AA veggies. So you can totally get it at any Hong Kong or like Chinese grocery store. So now I'm going to boil it for like around 10-15 minutes, and voila, here it goes. So I didn't put any oil. Really easy. Now my next dinner, I'm gonna make some grilled cheese. Now as you can see, I am going to use some sharp cheddar. I think I don't want to use mozzarella yet, but I just want the classic grilled cheese. So let's add some cheese on both sides, and you gotta make it on all the edges. Brown it. I actually added some butter, so you can add it as well. Wow, look at that stretch. Wow. Touch it. If it's crunchy, it's ready to go. Now let's chop it. I usually like to portion my size, so you can chop it in half. I believe this bread has like cocoa powder, so you can more than welcome to get your own type of bread, white bread, grain bread, wheat bread, up to you. So I decided to do a stretch again. Wow, look at that. That's really stretchy. Hot, it was steaming. So let's do a wide stretch. Wow, that cheese looks good. Now I actually wanted to add some turkey, so to boost up my sandwich a little bit. So let's hear that crunch. Alright, now that was a wonderful dinner. I'm going to end my night with some more oranges. Please don't be like me. I actually shared, so I actually ate maybe 1.5 orange. So portion size is really important. So that's it. So please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.